Kalila here, and welcome to another video. If you hear stuff in the background, my cat is like on the blinds looking out my window right now, and like he sees birds and stuff, so ignore that. Anyway, I have blue hair. I want bluer hair, so like this is like a pause in what I'm transitioning into because I want my hair to be like super crazy blue-green. I might do like half blue, half green. But I wanted to see like how this would take, so check with me in a couple of weeks and you'll see some crazy colored hair, okay? Okay, so anyway, today I'm going to be crocheting a cardigan. I haven't crocheted a cardigan before, but I have like measured out what kind of size cardigan I would want, I guess you can say. So like I haven't written a pattern, but I have like a measurement pattern, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll be going based on measurements that I have done with my body, and I will be writing a pattern at the same time. Today I will be using some merino wool, 100% superwash merino wool. This is the brand. This is my Lion brand. I love Lion brand, okay? Like that is the yarn brand that I usually use, as you know, with my cotton yarn and everything. So I went to Lion brand and I was like, do they have merino wool? I have not used merino wool before. I've had this yarn since like December. So that's when I thought about making this video, and I just haven't gotten to it. Haven't got to it. Either way. So it is 100% superwash merino. It is 100 grams. We love 100 grams here. And it is category 3 light yarn. When I tell you this yarn is so thin, it is thinner than the yarn that I usually work with, and that's crazy. And it's telling me to use a size 5mm hook. Absolutely not. No. Use a smaller one. I'm using a size 4 hook, which is my favorite size hook. I'm using my new Pisces Furls hook in a size 4mm. It kind of matches my hair. That's cool. And that is what I'm going to be working on. So I have this color. I got 2 of these colors, 2 of the yellow color, 2 of, I don't know what kind of color this is, but like, I can't even guess. A grapefruit color? A grapefruit color? Where are the names for this? Anyway, 2 of these, and then I got 3 of these. I actually bought 4, but they gave me, they switched up, they messed up the order. Either way, it's totally fine. I don't know what I was thinking with the colorway, like what would be the sleeves part, what would be the back part, front part. So I'm just gonna wing it. And as you guys know, Hope Macaulay on Instagram, Irish brand, I'm pretty sure Irish, and she does knit stuff. It's beautiful. I'm going to be going based on this one here, wherever I put the pictures, and I'm not going to like copy it. I'm just like inspired to make a cardigan based on what I saw. So I have my own pattern. I'm making my own pattern for this. I'm not like copying it, and she knits, I crochet, so it's still totally different, but yeah, the colorway is different and everything. I'm just inspired by that cardigan to make my own cardigan, if that makes sense. And I love the different color, the way it has different colors and everything. I love that. So I'm going to try to emulate that in my own way, and we'll see how that goes. Okay? If I do write a pattern, you can find it down below in the description box. And if you want me to make a tutorial on this after I'm done, let me know. I'll do that. And let's get started. is the next, no. It is 2 days later. I didn't crochet for like a day because I was working on another project. Well, so I did crochet. I didn't work on this project for like a day, but that's totally fine. I finished the sleeve. So this is what it looks like with the blue and the nice coral. I think it's coral. That's the color, a nice coral color. So now I'm going to go in with the same blue, like for the next sleeve, the same blue for the ribbing. And then I'm going to use yellow. Oh, I found out where the name is. The name is like right here. You probably won't be able to see it, but it's like right, wait, where'd it go? Oh crap, I just lost it. Oh no, it's right here. It's like right at the top of the barcode. I'm like, that's such a weird place to put it, but I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna use this. It's called Citron or color 157. I'm gonna put the link down below to where I got this exact yarn. So if you are wanting to make this exact thing, this exact cardigan, then you will be able to get the same yarn that I used. I'm not a fan, but it's very soft, very light. If you like that kind of yarn, this is perfect for you. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for the second sleeve. It is like many days later, and let me show you what I have finished. I haven't like gone back and seen what clips I filmed, but I'm pretty sure I didn't film that many. So sorry if there's a lack of content within this, but I have finished both sleeves. I think I showed you guys that already. If not, I finished both sleeves. And oh, let me show you the picture that I am using for my inspiration. Is this picture right here, and I am just mimicking the different colorways, like which colors they use here, like for the cuffs and the sleeves. Not the exact colors, just like looking at the pattern of the colors that they used and mimicking that using my pattern, of course. So those are the two sleeves, and then these are the front panels that are done. It's so weird making front panels instead of one front panel because I'm used to doing jumpers, but now that that is done, I'm like 90% of the way finished with this cardigan. So now I am starting on the back panel, and the back panel is going to be this color, this green color. I've already done the ribbing for it, so now I just have to work it up. So that is what you guys will be seeing me do next. And then after I finish the back panels, I will show you guys me putting it together, because I always like to show the process of me putting things together, and I haven't put together a cardigan before, so this will be my first time. And also I will refer to this video when I am making my pattern, because I don't know how to describe putting things together, and I feel like a video representation is much better when it comes to that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I have finished the back panel, so now I am going to start putting everything together. So I have my front panels here. I'm gonna put this one on top there, this one on top. Wait, which way does it go? Oh, this one? Yeah, this one here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay, So this is how the front pieces are gonna go. Now I'm going to slip stitch across the top here of the shoulder and then the top here, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I do the sleeves. Alrighty guys, I have finished slip stitching across the tops of both of these. So now we're going to add the sleeves. I'm going to put the yellow one on that side, this whatever color on this side. And to do my sleeves, I'm gonna do it the same way I do my sweaters. So I'm gonna like flip this open like that. Oh, this is weird. Okay, flip this open. Let me scoot that so you guys can see. And I'm gonna find the middle point of the sleeve. So it's already folded, and I usually just place a stitch marker where it is folded. So get your stitch markers and place one. Wait, I need to get one that's not yellow. Okay, let's get a blue one. All right, get your stitch marker, fold it so it's even, and then just put the stitch marker like where you think the middle is. So I'll put this right here if I can close it. Okay, put it right there. So then let me scoot this to the side so you guys can see that better. Okay, so now you're going to open up the sleeve and place it where the stitch marker meets this lump right here, the shoulder part. And then just connect the stitch marker to that shoulder part, the humpy area.
I call it a ridge.
Oh, a ridge. Place it.
Humpy area.
I didn't know what to call it.
Me either, right? And then literally while I was recording my video, I just said ridge. And I would have been like this little seam right here.
Oh, that works too. Okay, so this ridge seam thingy that my sisters told me to call it. And then put stitch markers. Well, you don't have to, but I like to keep it secure. So connect it there and then put stitch markers and connect the ends of the sleeves to the panel as well. So you should have a stitch marker right here, at this end, and then in the middle. So now you can just grab the panel and the sleeve together and pull it up. So now the sleeve is flat against it just like that. So now you're going to slip stitch all along this area to connect the sleeve to the panel. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I am done. Fury, excuse me, sir. I'm done putting this together. I hope I did it correctly because, like, I don't know. This is my first cardigan. I'm not sure. But you can't see on that side because he's on it. But I slip stitched the sleeve to the panels, and I did the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to just like bring it up. Excuse me, Fury. So I'm just gonna pull it up and like form it into how a cardigan looks, just like this, and start folding things to make it look cardigan-like on this side. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, it looks cardigan-y enough. So now I am going to, I'm acting like this is a tutorial. So I'm gonna slip stitch here, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, slip stitch up the side and across the sleeve till the end. And then I'm gonna come back and show you, oh, no. I'm going to do some trim around this area. I'm gonna do it just like this. So you're gonna see this color around the front panel, the neckline, down the front panel. So the next thing you're gonna see after this is like the finished product, and then me in it after that. By the way, if you hear a little squeaking, it's my sister's yarn. When she crochets, it makes squeaking sounds. Anyway, hello. Why am I saying hello? I finished. It's on me. This is what it looks like. Let me give a little twirl. I don't know if that was a twirl, but this is what it looks like. The front panels, you see I did this ribbing on the side and it went around the neckline. This is the back. It's green. I made sure all the ribbing was the same besides this because I wanted it to be different, and I like the way the colorway of the actual cardigan, the Hope Macaulay cardigan was, so I'm like, let me do that. I just wanted to do my own kind of ribbing style though, but this is the first time, let me sit down, you guys can't see me, well, see my face. This is the first time that I actually made something that's like true to size, because as you guys know, I love oversized everything, and but I actually like this. You know, it's springtime now, time to start pulling out the bright colors and the short stuff and I don't know. But anyway, I love this so much. I hated, when I say hated, I don't hate, okay? I don't hate things. I highly despise using that yarn. I don't know if despise is the right word for that, but I did not like that yarn. That 100% superwash merino wool, I felt like I was crocheting with air. Air, bro. Like, my tension was all over the place, but I pushed through and it actually turned out pretty well. Will I be using that yarn again? I will not, unless a pattern calls for it. And hopefully it doesn't, okay? At least light 3. If it's like a weight 4 yarn and it's merino wool, then that's fine. If merino wool comes in weight 4, that'll be fine. But this was a weight 3. Oh my gosh, it's like baby yarn. But either way, if you guys want to cop this pattern, it is down below in the description box. I didn't put the colorway in it. I just did like a basic cardigan, and you can change the colors wherever you want, however you like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to follow me on my Instagram, and if you do recreate this or anything on my channel, please tag me on there, or Twitter. I have a Twitter as well if you want to follow me there. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.